Have you ever made pot de crème? This is an old-fashioned French baked custard dessert that translates to pots of cream. And the term pots of cream also refers to small lidded pots that it's traditionally served in. Now these are chocolate pot de crème, and I have 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate on the board. And notice I'm using a serrated knife to cut the chocolate very easily into small pieces. Always use a serrated knife to do this. We have 2½ cups of heavy cream brought to a boil. Add to that some espresso powder, 2 teaspoons. Now espresso powder is not ground up coffee beans. Espresso powder is espresso coffee dehydrated into crystals and very, very finely ground. So when reconstituted in a liquid, it gives that really strong, delicious espresso flavoring. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And right into the cream, add your 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Use the best chocolate you can find. We generally use a French or Belgian chocolate. Just stir that up a little bit, let it sit until the chocolate is completely softened. So now we'll get our eggs ready for the pot de crème. We need 4 large egg yolks. So have a little bowl to collect the whites. And the fresher the eggs, the better, of course. Beautiful, beautiful eggs. Stir the egg yolks, breaking them with a wire whisk. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 4 teaspoons of granulated sugar. You can use extra fine or regular granulated. Now here is your chocolate. Whisk that up, it's completely melted. And now we have to temper the egg yolks with the cream. So pour a little bit of the hot chocolate into the egg yolks, bringing the egg yolks up to temperature. You don't want to cook the egg yolks. So you see I'm adding the hot chocolatey cream slowly so that I do not cook those egg yolks. I'm just tempering them. And now the custard is ready to strain and put into the little pots, the little pot. So now just put this mixture right through a very fine sieve to get out any possible lumps. And this will make a gossamer pudding. And now we're using these very cute little oven-proof glass cups that I'm going to cook the pot de crème in. And I've put a terry towel in the bottom of this roasting pan just to keep the cups from shaking while they're in the oven. And I have some hot water boiling right here. That's going to make the bain-marie. Now pour your boiling water next to, around, and up the sides of the little cups. And now it's optional whether you want to cover your custards or not. I like to cover them just with a piece of parchment paper like this. Transfer this into a 325-degree preheated oven. It's going to take around 35 to 40 minutes, so set your timer. So once the puddings are out of the oven and nicely cooled, top them with a nice spiral of whipped cream like that. Make sure that you cool the puddings, the pot de crème, and refrigerate for a couple hours before serving. These are gorgeous, a delicious end to any meal. Enjoy.